Number 1. WAZER. WAZER is the first water jet cutter that can fit in every workshop. It cuts through any material and is compact and contained, making it clean, safe, and quiet to operate. WAZER's digital control achieves detail and accuracy impossible by hand, while freeing you up to complete other tasks. Number 2. 7Hugs Smart Remote. Magically control all your favorite devices and so much more. Smart Remote's screen instantly adapts to anything you point at. Number 3. Bonjour. Bonjour is a revolutionary voice-controlled and AI-enhanced alarm clock that acts as your personal assistant. With a human voice and mindful mannerisms, it's the first alarm clock you'll be happy to wake up to.
Good morning, Sophie. Time to wake up.
Bonjour. Let me sleep 5 more minutes.
It's not a great day to have a lie-in. You've got a meeting at 9 a.m.
Number 4. Hutify. An automotive accessory that transforms the smartphone you already own into a portable head-up display. That keeps your eyes on the road. It helps you navigate, warns you of speed traps, red light cameras, or if you're speeding. Number 5. Bixby. A smart home and apps controller, Bixby senses your in-air gestures and commands the smart devices for a touch-free use. Number 6. The Spontaneous Pop-Up Display. Spud is a high-resolution, 24-inch screen that collapses and expands like an umbrella. Easily connect devices for videos or work anywhere. Number 7. Flip. With Flip, you don't have to worry about charging your stylus or connecting to your tablet to unlock the features like Flip to Erase and palm rejection. Flip knows what you want it to do without using batteries or Bluetooth. It's intuitive, easy to use, and gives you all the features and benefits of an active stylus without the complexity. Number 8. Lifelight. No matter what camera you use or lifestyle you lead, the Lifelight enables you to keep the fun going and capture every moment along the way. It's the smart, social, portable light that can go virtually anywhere you go. It truly is your everyday light. Number 9. Clutch It. Using patent-pending technology, Clutch It takes a sleek and sexy approach to create the world's first anywhere magnetic phone holder. Number 10. Cam Buddy Pro. Wi-Fi enabled DSLR remote with live view, time-lapse, 4 built-in triggering sensors, and shoot and push to make photography more fun. Thank you for watching. Please comment below which one do you like the best. Let me know what